everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a very simple and tasty side dish that goes perfectly well with idlis, dosas, puris and chapatis. You can make this dish in just about 20 minutes. This is Bombay Chutney. Let's get started and check it out. The base for this chutney is gram flour or besan. I've taken half a cup of gram flour, which is roughly 125 ml. Add 1 cup of water to it and whisk well until there are no lumps. Once smooth, pour in 2 more cups of water and mix thoroughly. Keep this gram flour mixture aside. Now heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a wide kadai. Once it's hot, add 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let them sizzle and roast until the dals turn to a lovely golden brown and the mustard seeds begin to crackle. Now add half a teaspoon of asafoetida powder, a piece of finely chopped ginger and about 4 big cloves of garlic thinly sliced. Let these roast lightly and release their amazing aroma. Next add 3 onions thinly sliced and 3 green chilies slit. Sauté until the onions turn soft and translucent. I've sliced them nice and thin, but feel free to finely chop them if you prefer that. Now add in 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything together and let the tomatoes cook for about 5 minutes until they turn soft and mushy. Time to bring back the gram flour mixture. Give it a quick stir once more and pour it into the kadai. Add a handful of fresh curry leaves for that earthy aroma. Mix everything well. Cover the kadai and let it simmer on low flame for 10 minutes. Once done, open the lid and you'll see a perfectly cooked glossy Bombay chutney ready to be served. Finish it off with a generous sprinkle of fresh coriander leaves and turn off the heat. If you'd like to make it more filling, you can also add 1 boiled and mashed potato at this stage. And there you have it, the simple, delicious and flavorful Bombay chutney, which is ready in no time. Today I'm serving this with soft and spongy dosas, but it tastes just great with idlis or chapatis too. It's a wonderful dish to whip up when you have unexpected guests or need to cook for a crowd. The best part is it takes just about 20 minutes to prepare and doesn't need any coconut, making it a perfect fuss-free side dish. It pairs beautifully with soft idlis, kal dosas or even hot chapatis. Well, you can see the Bombay chutney is so simple to make, and here it is. I've made some nice soft spongy dosas to go with it. It's time to taste. Wow, just look at that. Those soft dosas, it's just soaked up that chutney so beautifully. The flavors are so amazing. Such a simple dish, fabulous flavors. Fantastic. So as you can see, I really enjoyed that combination of Bombay chutney and those hot, soft, spongy dosas. But you can also enjoy it with idlis, puris and even chapatis. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.